Okay, for the garage, we're going to end up putting a 1x6 pine fascia going across, but prior to that, we've got this punked out OSB. The customer has some material on hand. We're going to take the bottom 3 shingles out from each rafter on each side of this bed 2x4. Okay, and we want to take it out, cut it up at the decking, so we don't want this seam here. We cut up the decking, get a solid piece of OSB going all the way across above this crown molding and out. And then reapply the shingles before we go ahead, so the guys can go ahead and put on their 1x6. It looks like we might have a couple of scabs in across, probably about 3 or 4 of them across the front. The rest of them look good, but this front where it's been low has been an issue. The 2 sides have got a natural pitch to the back. The siding is ran dead level, and we've got 3 3/4 of an inch of siding here down to 3 inches over there, so we got a 3/4 inch natural pitch going to the back. So what we lose in the front, we're going to gain on the sides. Cut the back of the gutter up a 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch in the center here, so we can get the water to flow to the ends without looking extreme. And then 1x6 pine primed, and then wrapped with aluminum on the face of it. And then also we're going to come out, probably about 4 of these rafters, we're going to come out with some ties going back to the freeze board and just toe screw those in, and then the customer can paint the exposed rafter tails. Alright, and then the spouts can run to the back. Okay.